Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the BISP solution. My name is Umesh. So today we will discuss about the data form. Uh, we will talk about the data form, and there are some features like adjust grid spread and some other features, annotation comment, and some other all. So for this, firstly I will move to the instance. So you can see now the instance here. We will talk about the data form. Firstly I will click on three line navigator. uh, yeah, and in this line you can see the forms. So under the form, when I click on form, uh, yes, so you can see there are different form. So we will also create a one form here. We will understand uh, some feature of data form like annotation, adjust, grid spread, and comments and all. So firstly I will click on the plus icon. Here I will click on form. Here I will name the form. This is form 1. So this form we will use it for employee. We will use it for suppose employee planning. Yeah. So this is the description about the form, and we have given the name of form. It's a form 1. Here we have chosen the cube name. Cube 1 is plan 1, and we will click on next. When I click on next, so now you can see there are different POVs, POV, scenario, entity, different accounts, uh, dimensions under it, like account, scenario, entity, version, year, product, and here the period one. So I will drag one of the account here under the row, and I will keep the workforce under the column. So under period we will select the particular period. You can see there are certain period here, the year total. So under year total we can select any of the month like Jan month, Feb month, March month. So suppose we have selected Jan month. We have selected the particular period of Jan month, and here under year we will also select 1 year, any of the year we can select. Here the financial year 24 I have selected. And under the version we will choose working version. There are a certain version here we have. I will take working version under it. Yes, and then click on OK. Here the product. So if we don't want to select any product, then we will select no product under it. So that's the no product. And these are the scenario. So under scenario we will click under scenario we will click on plan. This is plan, so we will select plan. Here the entity one, so entity would be our, it's taking time to load. We will wait for a minute. Sometimes it takes time to load the thing. The data forms allow administrators to control who can see and edit forms. You will only have the access to the form and the data that you have permission. We have to refresh it. There is some issue in the instance, and now I have refreshed it. Taking time to load. Yeah, there is some problem here. You can see who entered the data and where it entered, and even add coverage and annotations to the explain why that they entered them. That is crucial for yeah, someone has deleted the application. That's why we are facing the problem. So now we will create a application. Create a sample application here, vision application. So now I have created a vision application here. So application creation is in process. Application creation is in process, and then we will enter the data. Someone has deleted the instance, that's why we have to create sample application again. We will click on continue. Yeah, think application have been created here. Yes. Now the application have been created. Vision application have been created here, and in that application we will go to the form. So we can see the form here. So yeah, we will create form 1. Here is a form. So now I will give the name of form is form 1, and it's for revenue planning. Here form, yes, so under form we will click form 1, and it is for revenue planning. We will click on next. Here the POV. So for POV we will select the account, and take entity under it. Here we will choose the period. So under period we can see the year total. Under year, month, and we will take Jan month here. Here under year we will take any of the year, like financial year 24. So we will take particular year under it, and the version would be working version. So this is working version. Here the scenario would be plan, and product would be no product. Here under entity we will select particular entity. We can see there are certain entity under here, like the total geography. We can see US, Texas. Yeah, here we can select any of the entity. Suppose we have selected Texas here, and the account. So under account we will wait for a minute. Yeah, so under account we can see there are balance sheet and net income. Under net income we have assets, and there are one inventory. So we can select the inventory option here. I will take inventory, and other current assets is also one of the option. Here account receivable total we can see under it, and this is the cash and short-term equivalents. So we can take any of the account. Suppose we have taken the cash and marketable security here. So we will bring it here, and now I will click on preview so that we can see that can we enter data under it or not. So here we have to change the particular entity. Here we have to change the entity. Here the entity should be facility resources. We have picked wrong entity. Yeah, entity would be facility resources. Here we will click on OK. Yeah, so when I click on preview, we have to remove the Texas. Yeah, so we have removed the Texas, and now we can see we have scenario, plan, period. We have taken all the things exactly. I think we have to change the year which we have taken. Suppose we have taken 25 or 26. Oh, yeah. So here we can see the facility resources. Under it we can enter the value. Earlier we took the past year, that's why we were unable to enter the data. But if we are doing planning, we are planning, so we have to take the year, upcoming year. So we have selected financial year 26 and taken the account, particular account and entity. So firstly we will save it and then we will open it under data form, so that we will discuss uh, about the feature of data form. So I will click on home icon and here I will click on three line navigator. Here I will click on data. When I click on form, so under form we can see there are some other option also here. uh, Firstly we will enter the value here, like the 5,000 is the value, and we will also enter here the value is 10,000. So we have seen these two values. uh, we can also add one other account also, like cash and marketable security. So cash and short-term equivalent we will also add under it, so that uh, the calculation of dynamic calculation will also be part of it. There is some problem. I think someone has deleted the instance, that's why the problem is occurring. Yeah, we will go to the form. Here we can see the form. We will open it. Under form, uh, we will pick some other account also under balance sheet, like the current asset. So current asset, here the cash and short-term equivalent. So we will bring it here. And here we will click on OK. We will save it here. Here there's a 5,000 and 4,000. These two data which we have entered. Suppose we have to see Now I will save the data first, and so that it will dynamically calculate the value. Here you can see the value dynamically calculated. Here we will see the option adjust, that this is the number, and when I click on adjust, so when we suppose we have to adjust it to 100, here I click on 100, then the value become 5100. So the adjust option is used to adjust the value which we have entered. So particular value we have to adjust by particular amount, so we can use that feature. We can select the particular value, suppose uh, through this feature we can do this thing. Suppose firstly I will click on save, and then I can make changes under it. Suppose I am taking other value like 7000. So here I have selected the value 7000. Here uh, we have we have to we have to spread it proportionally, evenly, or fair. So we have to give any of the option. So for that there are some other option under it. uh, I will I will use this feature of grid spread uh, after after few minutes later, because we have to add some data. We have to add dimension member more so that we can calculate the value. This is the comment section. So we can add any of the comment in any of the data, like cache and short term equivalent. So suppose we have to add any of the comment here. Yeah, like I'm a administrator, I have to add any of the comment, like data is correctly valued. Data is correctly valued. So this is the data which have been valued correctly. So there is no need for further calculation. For further calculation, suppose we have added that kind of comment under it, so it will be shown under it. Here the comment, when we click on it, that when we will save it, then the comment will be visible on the screen. You can see yeah, this is the comment here, and when I click on it, so the comment would be visible under it. You can see cache and short-term equivalent, read only, and cell has a comment. You can see the comment is showing under it when we have seen it, and some other option is also showing that the grid lines. Suppose we have to remove the grid lines, so when we click on it, then the grid lines will automatically removed from the data form. Here apply selected style for data grid. Suppose in the data grid we have to apply any of the custom style, so we can apply any of the selected style. Here we have done everything. We have to perform only the grid split. So for grid split, we will add some value. Now I will refresh it first, because most of the time generally instance deleted, that's why we face error. It's taking time to load. Yes. So yes, someone has again deleted the instance. We have to further create it. For the completion. Yeah, I think instance has been created. We have to wait for a while because the instance is in process. Yeah, probably the instance have been created now. It's taking more time. We have to wait for a minute. Sometimes it takes much more time to create. Uh, Here we will open same instance again. I don't think so why this problem is occurring. Yes, the application creation is in process. We have to wait for a minute. I think we have to create a new application here, because the problem is continuously occurring. Analysis for planning and analysis. Here we will click on next, and under is we will select particular year and rate, and we will create a new application. Yes, here we will create the application. We have to wait to create an application. It's taking time. The application creation is in process. Most of the time, generally, we do not face that kind of issue. Yes. Yeah. Now we will create application. Uh, Here the problem is persisting. We will refresh it first. And now the instance have been created. Yes. Most of the time, generally, that kind of problem arise. Now we have created the application. So this is our form. We have to create another form once again. Form 1. Also give particular name, account and entity, like the period. So the period would be Jan scenario. Scenario would be working. That instance we have to delete, and we have to again create a vision application, because vision consists all the member. We have to delete it again, and we will try to create a vision application, because in that instance we don't have a dimension, proper member, exact member. That's why we will create a vision application here, sample application. Yes. Application creation is in process. In APBCS, generally we don't have the actual members. We don't have the members which generally used in data form. Here there is some glitch in the instance. That's why we are facing problem here. Uh, I think we have to create a new application because in the instance in demo application we are continuously facing problem. We will create financial planning. Here here we are facing more problem. If this problem consistently arise, then we will continue this session tomorrow uh, with that topic. Today we have done adjust grid split and annotation comments and grid lines also. So the data form with a smart list we will cover tomorrow. Here we have to wait for a while. We have to again open the instance. Yes, the PBCS application have been created. Here the account section, here we have average and ending. We don't have much more members which contain in vision application. So we have to create one more members here. I will add sibling here, like current asset. Here the current asset is the member. Under current asset, uh, we will add some child like the cash. Here the cash would be one count which we will add, some other member also. uh, like cash and cash equivalents here, cash equivalents. So uh, we can see, we can also add one another member, cash equivalents and cash at bank. Yes. So all the things which we have created, uh, we will select we will select particular data storage property. uh, this would be stored, so we have to enter the value under it. That's why we will choose value store under it. Cash equivalent we will also put store. That and the data type would be store, data storage. Here the cash at bank would be store. Here the no entity, we will add one sibling. It's a sales department. Yeah, under the period, uh, we have particular period. Scenario, we also have scenario, and version, we also have particular version. We will create working version under it. Scenario, under scenario, we can see the plan. So plan scenario, we can select, we will select particular year also, like 2004. Yes, so we have selected particular year also, and now we will do the data form here. We will do the data form here. Here we can see the form. So under form we can see form 1. Here it is analysis and planning. We will move on to the next, and then period. This is Jan month. So we will select Jan month here, and here the scenario would be working. Here the currency would be no currency here. And the year would be particular year like 25, 24. Bring it here. Version would be working version. Here could be 26. We can take it. Here under entity, we can see like sales department. We will select it. And under the account, this is the current asset. Current asset, we will bring it here. Current assets, there is a cash and cash equivalents and cash at bank. Here we have to refresh it. We have to create a vision application, because in that application we don't have such members which we can perform. So that's why we have to create a vision application here. We will try to create a vision, and if it would not be possible to create it, then we will continue this session tomorrow. I will check if there would be any form, then we can understand with the help of that form also. Here the application overview. I will remove the application first. Delete the application. Yeah, application deletion is in process, and then we will further create it. We are facing more error continuously today. That's why we are unable to perform our task. So probably we have to continue our session tomorrow, just because of there are some glitch in the instance. That's why we have to take this session tomorrow of same topic. So sorry for this problem which we have faced today. because because in instance continuously facing problem, we are facing error in creating application. That's why we can't perform the task today. So we will continue session tomorrow. uh, Thank you for watching this session. If you have any query, then you can pin down the comment. You are free to ask this session. Thank you for your participation. Thank you for your participation, for your watching. uh, I will see you tomorrow. That's it for today. Now I am closing this session.